Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to set Telegram Stories notifications to medium priority so you can stay updated without getting overwhelmed by constant alerts. If your notifications feel too frequent or distracting, adjusting the priority level is a simple way to find the perfect balance. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines or your profile icon. From there, go to Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Next, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, tones, and notification behavior. Now, look for the option labeled Stories and tap on it. This is where you manage how Telegram notifies you about new stories from your contacts. Once you're inside the story settings, tap on More Options. This will open additional controls that are not visible in the main settings screen. Then, tap on Priority. Here you'll see different levels you can choose from depending on how important you want these notifications to be. Finally, select Medium. This option ensures that you still receive notifications for stories, but they won't interrupt you as aggressively as high-priority alerts. And that's it. You've successfully set your Telegram Stories notifications to medium priority. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you manage distractions while still staying connected with updates that matter. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your app experience.